All right, guys, so I just took the DJI Mini 5 out for my first night flight ever, of any drone ever, and I'll have to admit, I was really impressed. But I said I was going to tell you the truth about flying at night with this drone, and so that's what I'm going to do. So let's check this out. So let's start with this awesome shot right here. It looks great, guys. This is the Brevante Bridge at the Forks in Winnipeg. I'm actually really impressed with how clear it is. It's not very noisy at all. This is fantastic, but guys, here's the truth. Check this out. I'm going to zoom in about 250% and look in the dark areas. It's muddy, it's grainy. That's to be expected from any camera. A camera needs light, right? But I just wanted you to see that the dark areas are not so good, but the lit up areas, let's take another look at this here. The lit up areas, I mean, the overall shot looks fantastic, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at the ripples in the water, nice and sharp, but they're really well lit. Let's get a little bit closer to downtown here, and you can see downtown's quite a bit more lit, so everything looks good. The windows are all clear. The sky is not fuzzy or grainy at all. It looks really, really good, guys. I'm really impressed. But again, here's 250% magnification, and there's the dark areas there. It's not very noisy, but it's also kind of muddy. But I mean, guys, this is a sub 250 gram drone, or so they say, right? I mean, I'm actually really impressed. Here we are at 250% again, but in the well-lit areas. So here's downtown Winnipeg lit up, and this footage is usable, even zoomed in at 2.5 times, guys. So let's pull back from downtown here. That's a nice shot. I'm actually surprised there's not one single car on the road. And look at this, guys. So here's a nice big panoramic view of the entire downtown Winnipeg, including the Forks. There's the Human Rights Museum right there. And back to Brevante Bridge. Everything is clear, everything is sharp. Just don't focus on those dark areas. And the picture looks just fine, guys. This is really nice. This was a really good time flying this drone. Let's head on over to the St. Boniface Cathedral here. Another well-lit kind of monument in the dark. So you can see in the surrounding areas, it's a little bit muddy, but the monument itself is very clear. The sky is clear. The city in the background is very clear. Look, guys, you can even see all the bricks on the ground. You can see all the moldings in the building. It is well lit, but it's also very dark, so I'm very impressed. Look at all the city lights in the background. This is an impressive shot. I really did like shooting with the Mini 5 in the dark, even though the really dark areas are very, very muddy. But hey, cameras need light, right? So what do you expect? This is actually very impressive. We're just gonna pull out here, turn it around, and this is where we're gonna come in for a landing. Again, you can see the Forks in the background there, the river, all the ripples on the water. It's so clear. You can see the details in the concrete. It is very well lit, but it's still pretty dark. I've had drones in the past that, even with this lighting, they would just refuse to fly, right? So guys, what did you think of that? Was that actually really impressive? Were you impressed? I was very impressed that a drone this small and a camera kind of this inexpensive could take night footage that nice. So guys, if these footage samples or if this video was helpful to you in any way, please leave a comment down below, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer every single one of them. In the meantime, guys, YouTube knows you better than I do, so watch this video up here. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Take care. Let's take another look at that bridge, guys. Just beautiful. Really, really nice.